Every drive begins with trust, and trust deserves protection. Built with manufacturer-level warranty coverage, Cars24 Warranty protects the parts that keep your car running strong, from your engine and gearbox to essential electrical systems. With unlimited claims up to the value of your vehicle at the time of each claim, it's protection designed to keep you moving. Every claim tells a story, not just of repairs, but of money saved. From engine replacements to critical mechanical fixes, Cars24 Warranty has helped customers avoid thousands in unexpected costs, protecting drivers across Australia, one repair at a time. With a trusted repair network across the country, including dozens of authorised mechanics in every state, you're never locked into one place, and you don't need to service your car with us to keep your warranty valid. Your freedom stays intact. As repair costs rise and car technology evolves, our promise remains the same: to protect your car, your confidence, and your peace of mind. Cars24 Warranty, manufacturer level protection. Wherever the road takes you.